Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can do a PMCC or poor man's covered call on Robinhood. So let's get started. First, open your Robinhood app and go to the stock you want to trade. The poor man's covered call works like a regular covered call, but instead of owning 100 shares, you use a long call option as a substitute. Before you begin, make sure you have options trading enabled on your account. To do that, go to your account settings and enable options trading under the investing section. Now, step 1 is to buy a long-term call option, also known as a LEAPS contract. Tap Trade Options, scroll to a long expiration date, usually 6 months to 1 year, and choose a deep in the money call. This will act like your stock ownership. Place your buy order and wait for it to fill. Step 2 is to sell a short-term call against it to collect premium. Go back to Trade Options, select a near-term expiration date like 1 week or 1 month, and sell a call option with a strike price higher than your long call's strike. This creates your poor man's covered call setup. The short call generates income, while your long call gives you exposure to the stock's price movement. As the short call expires, you can sell new ones each week or month to collect more premium. And that's it. Now you know how to set up a PMCC or poor man's covered call on Robinhood using call options instead of owning 100 shares. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.